Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen and Home Review. In this video, we review the 20 best Amazon brand new kitchen gadgets for 2025 that make cooking faster, easier, and smarter. Backhand index pointing right if you enjoy product reviews and Amazon finds. Make sure to subscribe for more. So let's start. Hamilton Beach Electric Hand Mixer. And no more lost beaters. The snap-on storage case that comes with the Hamilton Beach hand mixer neatly holds the two beaters and whisk in one easy-to-find place, reducing the chance that the attachments are lost or misplaced. Easily handles a variety of recipes. With 6 different speed options plus a quick burst button for an extra burst of power when you need it, this electric hand mixer prepares every recipe with ease. Everything you need to start mixing. This hand mixer comes with 2 traditional beaters and a whisk that are dishwasher safe. After mixing, simply press the speed dial to eject the attachments from the mixer without getting your hands messy. Powerful mixing performance. The 250-watt peak power motor provides all the power you need for every mixing job, whether you're adding chocolate chips and nuts to cookie dough or making fluffy whipped cream. Deep fryer. Oil filtration system. Advanced technology automatically filters and stores oil in a sealed container, ensuring easy cleanup and cost savings through reusable oil. Enjoy hassle-free deep frying with this innovative feature. Precise temperature control. Adjust from 300°F to 375°F for optimal frying results. The thermostat ensures consistent heat, preserving authentic flavors and achieving the perfect golden brown exterior every time. Safety features. Equipped with a locking lid, large viewing window, cool touch handles, and automatic shutoff. These safety measures provide peace of mind, allowing for worry-free operation during your frying sessions. Easy cleaning. Dishwasher-safe components include the cooking basket, bowl, lid, and oil box. Experience the convenience of professional-grade deep frying at home with minimal cleanup effort required. Elite Gourmet Cast Iron Burner. Easy to clean. 6.5-inch and 5-inch cast iron flat cooking plates are non-stick and easy to clean with a damp cloth or non-abrasive sponge. Adjustable temperature. Quickly reach and sustain the desired low, medium, or high heat settings with the variable temperature knob to keep food warm or boil hot water. Built-in safety. Dual power indicator lights on the front of the burner remind users when the item is powered on. Non-skid feet ensure the burner remains stable during use. Compact and portable. The compact size of the burner makes it an easily accessible item to take on the go wherever an extra cooking device is needed at school, office, camping trips, or home. Efficient power. With a combined wattage of 1500 W, dual hot plates, and individual temperature controls, delicious meals can be cooked simultaneously. Elite Gourmet Egg Cooker. 7-egg capacity. Cook up to 7 eggs in soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness, while saving time and water. Eggs come out consistently perfect, shell is easy to peel, and cleanup is simple. Ease of use. Fill pre-marked measuring cup with water to desired doneness, add to the cooking plate, press the power switch, and within minutes your eggs will be excellent. Fun and simple to use for the entire family. The auto shut-off function gets it right every time, and it's faster than conventional stovetop methods. Versatility. Whether pairing with avocado toast or preparing deviled eggs, the Elite Gourmet Easy Egg Cooker is an all-in-one egg boiler, veggie or food steamer, and more. Compact space-saving design. Perfect as a back-to-school gift for dorms, apartments, RVs, or the office. Compact and lightweight. It easily fits into drawers for storage or just leave out on the counter as a fun and colorful accent to any home kitchen. Astercook Pots and Pans Set. High-performance non-stick coating equipped with a premium non-stick coating, our pots and pans offer exceptional durability and performance. Easy to clean and free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, it ensures a healthier cooking experience. Secure removable handle cookware set features a cutting-edge removable handle with a secure locking mechanism. This ensures a stable and reliable grip during cooking, so you can cook with confidence every time. Convenient storage and cleaning. The detachable handle design saves valuable storage space and simplifies cleanup. Easily remove the handle for a quick and thorough wash, keeping your cookware and kitchen spotless. Versatile compatibility pots and pan sets are suitable for a wide range of heat sources, including induction, gas, and ceramic hobs. Ensure that the cookware sets are uniformly heated in a stable and efficient manner under all cooking conditions. Cooking torch. Safe sturdy creme brulee torch. The safety lock could prevent accidental ignition. Also, the ergonomic design provides comfort to your hand and keep away from the flame. The aluminum alloy material adopted makes it more resistant and sturdy. Refillable portable. This butane torch lighter can be refilled after running out of use. With 3 butane adapters included, it's compatible with all types of butane tanks, whether with long or short nozzle. This mini butane torch is small and lightweight, easy to hold. Butane gas not included. Versatile. You can easily control the flame temperature according to your needs. Max 1,371 degrees Celsius per 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, such as caramelizing food, soldering DIY jewelry, cooking, barbecue, baking, brulee, cream, DIY soldering, bar cocktails, camping, and craft. Food storage container. Largest glass container with airtight locking and handle lid. Quality design, 220 ounces / 6,500 ml / 28 cups. Glass container with locking lid is the largest you will find with locking lid. Razab uses premium grade material to bring you industrial and restaurant grade glass to your home kitchen. Airtight leak proof. Multipurpose, can be used as bakeware or for storage. The perfect solution to bake your lasagna for lunch or meat/chicken for dinner and store them as well. Silicone sealed BPA-free plastic lids. Plastic lid is not microwave or oven safe. Leak-proof storage. Container is easily sealed, airtight, and spill-proof. Square glass food container. Keep leftovers fresh. Goes straight from the refrigerator to the microwave or oven to the table. Food can be cooked directly in the container using microwave or oven. GDEL food chopper. Reduce prep time. The food chopper is equipped with stainless steel blades which make faster chopping, dicing, and grinding than a knife. Use the onion chopper directly on your cutting board or included base to get your prep food with less time. Zero risk of injury. Simply slap the vegetable chopper to get quickly chopping in the garlic and onions in seconds. No more getting hurt by touching the blades. Easy cleaning. The hand food chopper is easy disassembling for speedy cleanup. Simply finish cleaning under running water in 30 seconds. Also top rack dishwasher safe. Easy to use. This vegetable chopper is made of premium materials and can be used with confidence. The garlic chopper comes with an instruction manual. You can easily master it whether you are an expert cook or a novice in the kitchen. Adjustable mandolin food slicer. Adjustable mandolin slicer. This mandolin slicer has an adjustable blade that allows you to slice different fruits and vegetables with ease. Dishwasher safe. The slicer is made of durable stainless steel and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Swap cutting modes. The slicer has a dial that allows you to easily switch between different cutting modes like slicing, dicing, and julienne. Cut-resistant gloves. The slicer comes with 1 pair of cut-resistant gloves to protect your hands while slicing. Versatile kitchen tool. This mandolin slicer is a versatile kitchen tool that can be used to slice a variety of fruits and vegetables like potatoes, tomatoes, carrots, and onions. Bamboo cutting board. Kichi offers a versatile set with sizes including 15 by 10 inches, 12 by 8 inches, and 9 by 6 inches, accommodating all your cutting needs from meats and vegetables to fruits and breads. This variety ensures you always have the perfect board for any task. Our cutting boards undergo a thermal treatment at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 degrees Celsius, a process known as carbonization. This treatment enhances the bamboo's stability, significantly reduces moisture absorption, and gives the board a rich, dark hue that complements any kitchen decor. Experience unparalleled durability with Kichi's cutting board set, which uses a cross-laminated technique. Each layer of bamboo is precisely interlocked to create a robust structure that resists warping and cracking. Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster. Slim design, big impact. With a sleek 3.58 profile, the Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster fits comfortably on any countertop without taking up much space. Part of our Fits Anywhere kitchenware collection, it's the perfect blend of style and practicality. 1 long slot for versatile toasting. The extra-wide, 10-inch long slot accommodates 2 slices of bread side by side or thick artisan breads like bagels, baguettes, and Texas-style toasts. No more squeezing or cutting, just perfect toast every time. Toasted perfection. 6 shade settings with a convenient cancel function allow you to customize your bread to your exact preference, from lightly golden to dark and crispy. Achieve your ideal toast with just a simple turn of the dial. Easy cleanup, clutter-free countertop. The removable crumb tray slides out for quick cleaning, ensuring your smart toaster stays tidy and operates efficiently. Bread knife. Quality construction. Knife is crafted with one-piece high-carbon Japanese steel for easy edge maintenance and long-lasting sharpness. Superior design. Built to last, ergonomic handle with textured finger points offers a non-slip grip with added comfort, durability, and safety. Best use. The teeth on the wavy edge of the knife's blade easily slice through food's crust or skin without tearing the soft inside. Ideal for slicing bread, angel food cake, meatloaf, fruits, and tomatoes. Easy care. To maximize the performance and longevity of your Mercer knife, carefully wash cutlery by hand after each use with warm water and mild soap. Rinse and dry completely with a soft towel. Do not place in dishwasher or submerge for long periods of time. Mercer Culinary Millennia Series. Innovative features and unparalleled performance to meet the demands of today's professional chefs and home cooking enthusiasts. Tang provides excellent balance. Ceramic spoon rest. Ideal size 1 PCS 4.5 into 6.9 round spoon rest fits most cookware such as fork, basting brush, spoon, spatula, strainer, coffee spoon, tongs, chopsticks, etc. Can also be used as a mini dip pan. Cooking spatula set. Food-grade silicone. Made of food-grade silicone, BPA-free, can be used in any type of food, and it will probably last longer than the other plastic kitchen utensils. These silicone cooking utensils do not react with food or beverages. You don't have to worry about the health of your families will not retain odors or colors. Before the first use, the original smell will disappear after the silicone soaking in water and exposed it to the air for about 3 hours. Best kitchen tools. One-piece stainless steel core to enhance durability and toughness to keep the spatulas from bending or deformation. 33 different shape for its unique function would be your great kitchen helper. Small holes on the handles for easy storage. Extra 10 PCS hooks and utensils holder for convenient storage. A silicone mat provide you more convenience. Great presents for anyone who loves to cook. Also good present set for your friend, family. Auto electric can opener. Effortless can opening. Hands-free operation. Smoothly opens cans with minimal effort. Easy operation. Open almost any cans with our electric can opener. Press the button to start. Cuts cleanly along the side of cans leaving smooth edges. Press the button again to stop. Thoughtful gift idea. A practical and versatile gift for family and friends, suitable for kitchen enthusiasts and anyone seeking convenience. Smooth edge design. The blade cuts along the side of the can, reducing food contact, prevents spills and leaves smooth, rounded edges. User-friendly design. Ergonomic design allows for strain-free use. Ideal for elderly individuals and those with limited hand strength. Convenient cooking. Save energy and simplify meal prep with a tool designed for easy and efficient use. Basting brush. Made from durable stainless steel. The durable stainless steel construction is ideal for long-lasting use and is easy to clean with just a rinse. Holds up to 16 fluid ounces. The basting pot is able to hold up to 16 fluid ounces of sauce, ensuring you can coat even large cut of meat evenly with just one pot. Integrated brush lid design. Bench scraper. Thickened stainless steel. This bench scraper is made of thickened stainless steel, non-reactive, rust-free, hygienic, and durable. Heavy duty. Precision beveled edge. Made of knife-grade steel, the edge is beveled precisely. Balanced sharpness is convenient for scraping and cutting. Firm grip. Ergonomic and comfortable non-slip wooden handle. Great for scraping up food ingredients to easily transfer to a mixing bowl or for cleaning your work surface. Measuring inch marking scale. For precise measuring while cooking or grilling. Griddle scraper bench knife. Also perfect for barbecue and grill, as well as for cast iron griddle or flat top cooking as griddle grill accessories for your home kitchen or backyard barbecue. Great as a gift. Cast iron smashed burger press. Heavy-duty cast iron. 6.5 cast iron burger press ensures even pressure, creating juicy, flavorful smashed burgers every time. Perfect smash burger crust. Flat edge helps achieve crispy, caramelized edges for that classic smash burger taste. Versatile smashing. Ideal for use on griddles, skillets, and grills, making it perfect for both indoor cooking and outdoor cookouts. Easy to clean. This hamburger smasher tool can be cleaned by hand washing with warm water and mild soap for quick and hassle-free cleanup. Baking dish. 6-piece set. Includes 1 9x13 x 3-inch glass baking dish with plastic lid. 1 7x11 x 2.75-inch glass baking dish with plastic lid. And 1 8x8 x 2.75-inch glass baking dish with plastic lid. These deep baking dishes are the essentials to have in any kitchen, as they are versatile in use from prepping to baking and storing. Go deeper. Add up to 50% deeper than the Pyrex Basics dishes you know and love. There's more room to get creative. Deeper size stops spillovers, and more importantly, holds more of the good stuff for your parties and gatherings. Snug fit lids. Perfectly fitting and BPA-free plastic lids are freezer, microwave, and top rack dishwasher safe. No need to hold back when warming your food or storing your leftovers for tomorrow. It can be used as a mini dip pan, small plate for sugar, cookies, lemon slices, and more. The high-quality spoon rack is made of food-grade ceramic. Ceramic will never mold like silicone or plastic, is both heat-resistant and will not corrode, and can withstand heavy-duty use. The wide base and the swirling depression in the middle ensure the stability of your utensils, allowing the spoon holder to catch all the stains and drips from your cooking utensils, keeping your counters and stovetop neat and tidy. Unique design and color options. This cooking spoon holder features a distinctive swirl motif design that adds an artistic touch to your kitchen. Clean Duster Sponge. Damp Clean Duster Sponge. Jamie Damp Clean Duster Sponge can help you easily remove dust, debris, hair, and stains in your home so that you no longer worry about dirty cleaning. Wear-resistant and sturdy, the high-density cleaning sponge needs to be soaked and softened before each use, and it can be reused after washing and drying. The U-shaped groove design of the sponge cleaning brush is easier to remove dust particles and has strong versatility. Strong water absorption. Dense water absorption holes can absorb a large amount of water and have strong water absorption. After the dusting sponges is fully soaked, it will become softer and have better cleaning power. Package contents contains 4 pieces gray of Jamie baseboard cleaner sponges. Warm tip, pre-moistened sponge. Packaging has water vapor.